Layer below session layer is transport layer. Transport layer controls the reliability of communication through segmentation, flow control, and error control. In segmentation, data received from session layer is divided into small data units called segments. Each segment contains a source and destination port number and a sequence number. Port number helps to direct each segment to the correct application, and sequence number helps to reassemble segments in the correct order to form correct message at the receiver. In flow control, transport layer controls the amount of data being transmitted. Consider our mobile is connected to a server. Suppose server can transmit data maximum at 100 Mbps and our mobile can process data maximum at 10 Mbps. Now we are downloading a file from the server, but server starts sending data at 50 Mbps, which is greater than the rate our mobile can process. So mobile phone with the help of transport layer can tell the server to slow down data transmission rate up to 10 Mbps so that no data gets lost. Similarly, if server is sending data at 5 Mbps, mobile phone tells the server to increase data transmission rate to 10 Mbps to maintain system performance. Transport layer also helps in error control. If some data does not arrive the destination, transport layer uses automatic repeat request schemes to retransmit the lost or corrupted data. A group of bits called checksum is added to each segment by the transport layer to find out received corrupted segment. Protocols of transport layer are Transmission Control Protocol or TCP and User Datagram Protocol or UDP. Transport layer performs two types of services: connection-oriented transmission and connectionless transmission. Connection-oriented transmission is done via TCP, while connectionless transmission is done via UDP. UDP is faster than TCP because it does not provide any feedback whether data was really delivered, whereas TCP provides a feedback. Therefore, lost data can be retransmitted in TCP. UDP is used where it does not matter whether we have received all data. For example, online streaming movies, songs, games, voice over IP, TFTP, DNS, etc. On the other hand, TCP is used where full data delivery is must. For example, World Wide Web, email, FTP, etc. So, transport layer is involved in segmentation, flow control, error control, connection-oriented and connectionless transmission. Transport layer passes data segments to the network layer. Network layer works for the transmission of the received data segments from one computer to another located in different networks. Data units in the network layer are called packets. It is the layer where routers reside. The function of network layer are logical addressing, routing, and path determination. IP addressing done in network layer is called logical addressing. Every computer in a network has a unique IP address. Network layer assigns sender and receiver's IP address to each segment to form an IP packet. IP addresses are assigned to ensure that each data packet can reach the correct destination. Routing is a method of moving data packet from source to destination, and it is based on the logical address format of IPv4 or IPv6. Suppose computer A is connected to network 1 and computer B is connected to network 2. From computer B, we have requested to access facebook.com, and now there is a reply from Facebook server for computer B in the form of packet. This packet needs to be delivered to computer B only. Since in a network each device has a unique IP address, so these both computers will be having a unique IP address as well. Network layer of the Facebook server has already added sender and receiver's IP address in the packet. Suppose mask used is 225.225.225.0. This mask tells that the first three combination represents network, while the last combination represents host or computer B. So, based on IP address format, received data packet will move first to network 2 and then to computer B. So, based on IP address and mask, routing decisions are made in a computer network. Now, path determination. A computer can be connected to internet server or a computer in a number of ways. Choosing the best possible path for data delivery from source to destination is called path determination. Layer 3 devices use protocols such as Open Shortest Path First, Border Gateway Protocol, intermediate system to intermediate system to determine the best possible path for data delivery. If you have learned something from this video, then please like this video. Share this video so that more people can learn. Subscribe to Tech Terms if you want to learn more and turn the notification icon on. Thanks for watching.